Your 80/20 worksheet is a single tool to measure your overall financial situation. It includes your net worth, which is a measure of your wealth, and your monthly cash flow, which is a measure of your financial independence. Using the 80/20 worksheet and the key financial planning principles in our e-booklet, Wealth is Good, Cash Flow is Better, you can begin to make sound strategic decisions and set goals to move your household closer to financial independence. Filling in and using your 80/20 worksheet is easy, but before starting, you should read the Wealth is Good, Cash Flow is Better e-booklet for an overview of key principles and a brief description of the 80/20 worksheet. It's a quick, easy read and should take only about 20 minutes. To start the process, select a U.S. population segment that closely matches your households, and all of the 80/20 worksheet data for that segment will automatically be pre-populated. You can either accept the profile information associated with your own age, income, and home ownership status you used when joining Cashflownavigator, or select another combination of age, income, and home ownership. Once you've settled on a worksheet to use, click the Submit button. But before proceeding, let's take a quick look at the worksheet's main components. Your net worth is the sum of values in the asset column and the liability column. Net worth totals are automatically calculated for each category item and also at the bottom. Monthly cash flow amounts are shown in the box corresponding to an asset or a liability item on the same line to the left or right. Some cash flow amounts are negative and some are positive. The net worth and cash flow amounts at the top of the 80/20 worksheet are from larger fixed assets, liabilities, and expenses. These represent the 20% of financial items that determine 80% of your overall financial situation, which is why we call our measurement tool the 80/20 worksheet. The numerous, smaller, variable monthly living expenses represent items generally associated with budget management. They are also important, though, and we capture them as a single total number. You can see a breakdown of this total by clicking on the variable living expenses value. The final monthly cash flow item on the worksheet captures salary and other related sources of income. This is listed last so you can see, above it, a separate measure of the cash flow generated by your other assets and liabilities. If you manage these other items so that they generate positive monthly cash flow, you will have achieved financial independence because you won't need to rely on salary income. Now, let's briefly return to your selection of a U.S. household population that is similar to your household's. Simply click the Submit button and an 80/20 worksheet will be fully populated with data for that U.S. household population.